Hello guys, welcome to Programming Bro. I am RK. In this section we are going to learn some tags which help us to beautify our DOM. So I am going to create a file in HTML folder with name will be tude6.html. Then I am going to open this file. Then I'm going to add a boilerplate now by HTML5 emit. Now I'm going to cut. Heading will be tude6. Now I'm going to add tab. Oh, H is converted tude6. I'm going to add tude6 here, then tab. Oh. Now I'm going to cut this everything. Now I'm going to save this file. Now I'm going to add a div tag here, for example. Now in this video we're going to learn some tags like italic tag, city tag, another is em tag, bold tag, strong tag, and underline, I think, and span tag here. I'm going to add a here. First thing, I'm going here. First I'm going to add a comment here. Oh, just comment everything. So I have to write something. It's commentable thing. I'm going to create a div tag here, so comments with comment. So now it will comment this tag only. Now first thing we're going to learn italic tag, means I tag. Then we're going to learn second is em tag here. Third will be which tag? city tag. Now let's implement here. First, most important thing, we have to 0. I'm going to start with 0 because this is the basic span tag. Oh tag. tag tag. Now first stop. If you had created div tag, now think I had another div tag in this div tag, so I'm going to replicate. Oh, it's that idea. I'm going to Alt Z. For now I'm going to add div tag here. In this div tag I have another div tag. I'm going to use lorem. Cancel. Now think I want is one time only. I'm not one. lorem to, I think I'm going to use one. I want this one. Tab here. I got everything. I'm going to do word wrap here, so going to settings, then editor settings, then I'm going to add word wrap here, then I'm going to back. Think I have a content here. Now I want to adjust here a content like hi. hmm. thing. I'm going to open my browser, going to refresh this, and I'm going to open this thing. We get everything content and our hi tag hi, but it is a good practice if I think I have to implement a style to this hi. Can I do this if I just select this div tag, but it apply this CSS to whole the paragraph? I want to add only this hi only, so I'm going to add a paragraph thing. First I'm going to show how can we add. So first I'm going to add a, we get this paragraph to next line, because I'm going to tell now hi thing. Now I'm going to do refresh here, we get hi to next line. Now thing, now I want to append this hi to this line, this volume test at that line. I'm going to use span tag. Oh, it's these shortcuts make me very less. Span tag, span tag. Nothing. We get height to volume test. After volume test, now we're going to add, what can we add now here? We can add thing. We are going to create a form here now, so I'm going to delete everything with this. So I'm going to press cut everything. Now I'm going to create my what can we create now? I'm going to create a, first I'm going to explain how each and every tag works. Now we learn which we tag. Will now learn span tag. So I'm going to add star for we have learned this. Now we understand how it works, so we're going to add another thing. I have a name. Now think I want to apply italic style to this. I can use italic tag. So I'm going to select this name, then copy, alt C, then cut, then alt V for paste. Now I will get the content with italic tag. Now we're going to add a, now same thing, I tag, em tag and site tag do same thing. If you want not understand anything, so I'm going to do by em tag this, em tag name, name, then I'm going to open site city tag, then name. We will not find any difference in these three. So this, you can't find anything in this. It is inline, it is same as span tag. I'm going to explain with an example. First we have to know how many tags we have in manually closing tag. There are many types of tag. Mainly there are two types. First I'm going to create a div tag, then I'm going to close it, then I'm going to comment it. Now we have commented. Now in manually closing tag, manually closing tag, we have two types of elements, like two elements. I'm going to call elements now. First is block element. Another is inline block element. I'm doing mistake very much. Sorry for my mistake. Now I'm going to add here. Then we know which type of tags are there. First, block elements. I'm going to add star. If I'm going to add Java comment here. If you are from JavaScript, you can also know as JavaScript comment. If you are from Java, you can call as Java comment. You are from C, you can call C. In many languages we use multi-line comments as this. Now we have first point, block elements will take all the width of his parent, his parent, parent, all the width of means I have a thing. I'm going to create thing. I'm going to add comment first here. I commented everything here. First I'm going to uncomment this, then I'm going to alt T here, then alt T. Then I'm going to create a div tag thing. I'm going to use CSS here for explanation. For starting CSS, we have to add a tag called style in header. I'm going to cut this media here. Thing, I had added CSS tag which is style. Thing, I have a div tag here. In div tag I have a paragraph tag. Hi. Now I'm going to uncomment everything here. Now I'm going to save everything. It's good. Now I'm going to uncomment everything here. Now think I have div tag in P. Now first we have to give the tag which we want to access here. So I'm going to access paragraph tag, so I had written P. Then I'm going to close with parenthesis. Then think I'm going to make background color will yellow. Now think it's take all the width which it wants. Means I'm going to comment this thing. It's taken all width of his parents like div tag. Now think. Now I had added a span tag here at bottom of this. Now I had a span. Add a span tag. Which says bye. Now I'm going to add CSS to it by span here. writing SPAN span. Then I'm going to open parenthesis, then tab, it auto close the parenthesis. Then I'm going to add background color will be my favorite color, royal blue. Thing. Now see, we have two tabs. First paragraph tag is a block elements, means is take every width of his parent, and by his span tag is inline block, means is take the width that much is need, means think is takes by. Now I edit content. Now I'm going to save this. Now think. Now see. Now we get the our content is starting here. Starting here from B. So it started his background color from B and it's an N. So it's get ended with N. I think you understand. I'm going to delete everything. So selection, we're going to add tab, then I'm going to select this much. I'm going this much, then alt. So type this, it's started. Now I'm going to save this file. For my format, you can format your document by your HTML by typing this. You get format. Now think, add, save this. Now I had copy this thing. Same as span, we have italic tag, em tag and city tag, means these three also in block elements. Now I'm going to select these three, then going to now think, I'm going to add my name here by giving think, which can I'm going to use RK programmer. Now I'm going to add my class here. I'm not going to add, let's add em tag. My class is 9. I'm going to save this. First I'm going to remove every comment here for my no, what happened. I'm going to remove this and this, shifted, and then I'm going to say no. Now so I'm going to select this everything. Then I'm going to add this comment here. Then I'm going to add my I added to this two things here. So think, I'm getting class and 9th here. I'm going to add a BR tag, but it is not a good practice for using BR tag. It is not a good practice in production level, means if you are creating your own website to serve publish online or making something. If you are just practicing, you can use BR tag. So I'm going to use BR tag here. I'm going to save. Then I'm going to think this, I get 9. I want this 9th will be highlighted, means it show bold thing, like bold. There are two ways to make bold. I'm going to use fourth is B tag, means bold tag, and second is strong tag, strong, storage not strong, st strong. So bye bye guys, let me meet in next video. You can use by doing something.